What's up guys, BoHD here, and the month of November is coming to an end, so we've highlighted 5 of our favorite new Android and iOS apps to hit the respective app stores during the month. Let's go ahead and start with the very first Android app, which is an app called Lawnchair 12. This is the latest iteration of the popular third-party launcher you might have heard of that's designed to replicate the launcher found in the Pixel 6, but with even more features added. So currently, it's an alpha and is not available in the Play Store yet, but you can download it via the link to APK Mirror in the description. Now, as you can see, it looks just like the stock Pixel 6 launcher, but when you dive into the settings, you can actually get a lot more features and settings to tweak that the stock Pixel 6 launcher just does not offer. One of the biggest new additions is support for Material You and Dynamic Color, which will automatically add accent colors throughout the UI that matches your wallpaper. One of my favorite features, though, I'd have to say is the ability to hide the At a Glance widget. So this widget is found in the stock Pixel 6 launcher, and it can definitely be useful displaying like all sorts of information like weather and traffic stuff. But it takes up precious space on my main home screen. So it's really nice to be able to just get rid of it and free up some more space so I can move widgets around freely. Aside from that though, you can fine tune the size of pretty much everything you see, like the icons and the labels. You can also enable the Discover feed by installing a separate app called Lawn Feed 3. But if you're looking to replicate the experience found in the newest Pixel phones, you definitely gotta check out Lawnchair 12. The next app that would pair beautifully with Lawnchair 12 is actually an icon pack called Reeve Dark Icon Pack. These icons really stood out to me because of their modern design language, but also the stealthy dark theme that I think would look great with a moody background. Maybe you have an OLED display on your smartphone and you want some dark icons to really help squeeze out every bit of battery juice. This icon pack is certainly going to be worth the $2. Links down below to check it out, as well as everything else mentioned in this video. Now you can take this Reeve icon pack to the next level with the next app we have, which is called Scrolling Icons Live Wallpaper. So just as the name implies, it'll take an icon pack you have downloaded and use it to create a live wallpaper with these apps scrolling across your screen. You can change the opacity, the size and motion of the icons, and the background color, and even add a gradient. So I think this is going to be a really neat effect that I highly recommend you check out if you're trying to spice up your home screens. Minimalist Phone turns your phone into a minimalist phone to help you reduce screen time and ultimately increase productivity and focus. I struggle with this so much. One of the things that this app does is replace your colorful icons that are like designed to grab your attention with simply text. This prevents mindless app usage by requiring you to consciously identify the app before you opt to open it. The app will also let you set a time for how much you want to spend scrolling through content on like Facebook, for example. And the app will even filter your notifications so you're not constantly getting bombarded with something interesting, quote unquote. And it will store those notifications for later, so it's not like it's just gonna completely make them disappear so that you'll forget about them. But other things to note is the circle on the home screen. It represents how much battery life you have, which is kind of neat. And you can search for apps up top and even add your favorite apps to always stay at the top of the app list you have here. And you can even hide apps from the list altogether. So you can really get a bare bones experience. So if you struggle with productivity and you're using your phone way too much, you should definitely check this app out. I will say though, it costs about $10 per year, but they do give you a 3-day free trial. Now, 'tis the season for giving, so I wanted to end the list of Android apps with a charity-based application called Cherry Free. It's actually pretty unique in that it lets you donate to charities for your time and not your hard-earned money. So it'll have you do specific tasks like watch an advertisement, install an app, or complete other small tasks to receive virtual Cherry coins that you can then use to donate to a charity of your choice. And there is a competition element to this app. You can compete with your friends, or you can climb the ranks in regional and international rankings. With that last one, let's go ahead and switch gears to take a look at the first iOS app called Dark Browser. This is a Safari extension that enables dark mode to every single website you visit quickly, seamlessly, and automatically. So it'll generate a custom dark style based on the colors that are used on the web page, and it'll actually link to your device's dark mode. So if you have dark mode enabled, it'll enable it in Safari. There's different themes like dark and black. Black is even more dark and will save even more battery life. but it might be a little bit too much for some people. I would say though the cherry on top is that it apparently doesn't collect any browsing data, which is very good. The other Safari extension we have is called YU. It's a Chinese dictionary app that aims to help you learn Chinese seamlessly while you browse the web. So you can just tap on words to look them up. You can view the stroke order, the pronunciation, the word segmentation, and the sentence translation. So it's a pretty handy tool to have if you want to learn Chinese or just simply translate Chinese words or sentences into English. To Stories for Instagram is a really useful app for creators out there, especially those of you who create a lot of content for Instagram specifically. You can create stories for podcasts or YouTube. Maybe you want to share a tweet on Stories. There's a bunch of different neat templates to help create some amazing stories. So to give you a little example, if I wanted to share a YouTube video to the app using the built-in share feature in iOS, it'll automatically generate a neat sticker that you can share to your Instagram directly from the app. The widget that comes with this app is also pretty neat in that it'll let you track your follower count in a very nice, convenient, and I would say aesthetically pleasing design. So I think overall this app is really useful if you're a content creator and especially one that produces a lot of Instagram stories. Phaser is one of the coolest music players to hit the App Store in my opinion. It's really all about creating neat visualizations with this app. It'll let you connect to your Spotify account to access your music, so that's pretty cool. You don't have to rely on local storage, which I don't even know if anyone actually buys and has local music anymore. But there's 9 unique visualizations included with the app that react to audio, touching the screen, and even tilting your device. So you can get all sorts of different cool effects. There's even haptic support, so the app will generate vibration effects in real time based on the music that's playing. Not everyone is going to need or want a music visualizer, but if you do, this one is definitely a good one to check out. Last but certainly not least is an app called Dodo, a reverse image and video search tool. It'll let you reverse search any image or video you have to see the search results for that piece of content across Google, Yandex, and Bing. And the UI makes it really easy to switch between the different search engines here. So maybe you have a clip of a movie and you want to search for the actors. You can use this app to upload the clip and find what you're looking for. That's just one example. There's really a lot of different use cases for an app like this. So if you're interested, check out the link down below. With that last one, those are 5 of my favorite iOS and Android apps to hit the respective app stores during the month of November 2021. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you're brand new and let us know which app is your favorite in a comment down below. As always, I'm BoHD from Slash.tv. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you right back here in the next one. See ya.